Now let's not forget who we're dealing with here. I've been cooking since before this AI could even say algorithm. I've trained in some of the toughest kitchens in the world under the watchful eyes of culinary legends. I've earned my Michelin stars the hard way, through blood, sweat, and countless burnt sauces. I'm not afraid of a challenge. In fact, I relish it. Bring on the heat, the pressure, the impossible deadlines. That's where I thrive. And tonight I'm going to show this AI what real cooking is all about. This isn't about proving that machines can't cook. It's about reminding the world that cooking is an art form. It's about passion, creativity, and the sheer joy of creating something delicious. And that's something no algorithm can replicate.
The stage is set, the lights are dimmed, and the atmosphere is electric. Two cooking stations stand side by side, ready for the culinary duel of the century. One is a testament to modern technology, brimming with the latest gadgets and tools, while the other is a classic chef's haven, filled with time-honored utensils and tools. The ingredients, a colorful array of fresh produce, vibrant vegetables and juicy fruits, along with an assortment of meats, spices and herbs, are laid out meticulously like an artist's palette, ready to be transformed into culinary masterpieces. The air is thick with anticipation as everyone waits for the signal to start. The challenge is to create a three-course meal that showcases both technical skill and culinary creativity, pushing the boundaries of flavor and presentation. The judges are a panel of renowned food critics, each with a discerning palate, their eyes sharp and their taste buds even sharper, ready to critique every bite. The audience is not just here in the studio, but also a global live stream, with millions of viewers eagerly watching from their screens, ready to witness this epic culinary showdown.
The timer starts and the battle begins. The chefs spring into action. I can feel the heat of the stove, the flames dancing wildly, the adrenaline coursing through my veins as I work in this high-stress environment. This is what I live for, the thrill of the kitchen, the joy of creating something extraordinary. This is where I come alive. Tonight we cook with passion and precision.
The excitement is palpable, folks. You can feel the energy in the room. Both contestants are off to a blazing start, their hands moving with incredible speed and precision.
This will be a test of not just skill, but also of creativity and passion. The chefs must pour their heart and soul into every dish they create. I can't wait to see what they come up with. The suspense is killing me.
This is so thrilling. The energy is contagious. I've never seen anything like this before. Go, Gordon! Show them what you've got.
And so the ultimate culinary showdown begins. Who will emerge victorious in this battle of flavors and techniques? Stay tuned to find out. The excitement is just beginning.